So today is an International Day of Forests, and as so many trees are being cut down for paper, I thought it's a great opportunity to talk about the ways that we can reduce our paper consumption in our everyday life. I think we can all agree that trees are extremely important, and being more eco-friendly is not just about reducing plastic, but it's about so much more. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Reusing whatever you have around you is a great way to actually reduce the amount of new paper being produced and used in everyday life. So I noticed that I don't really need a brand new piece of paper to write down my grocery list or a to-do list or any kind of drafts that I could have. Right now I made a habit to put aside any piece of paper that has a space to write on, and then I have the dedicated space that I put all the paper in. And whenever I need to do some drafts, I just use this paper instead of a new one. And also, if you have any paper scraps that you're not sure what to do with, like for example toilet paper tubes, the tubes after toilet paper, or a kitchen towel if you're using them, you can make really great things out of them. Some people use them to organize cables or any other small items. Some people make boxes out of them and then use them as a gift boxes. Kids make really great things out of it. So if you have some spare time and some creativity, you can really reuse a lot of paper. You can also make your own paper out of the old paper. So that's also a great idea if you have some spare time. And also when it comes to things shipped in paper, like paper boxes, like the paper that they stuff inside to protect your things, or envelopes, I have a dedicated box that I put everything in, and then I reuse them to store my stuff or to ship anything in the future. If possible, go digital. Ask your electricity or internet company to send you the bills in a digital form on your email rather than sending you a paper form of the document. Also try to do as much as you can using the digital calendar or digital notes on your phone, or maybe do a to-do list on your phone. I know it's not super easy. If you're a person kind of like me, I do like to have a paper and pen. So probably not everything will be possible for you, or it will take a lot of time to actually get to the point when you can be 100% digital with those kind of stuff. I'm still struggling with it, but do as much as you can and thrive to be completely digital. Even if it never happens, you're still trying to do your best. And another thing to consider are paper books. I am aware that some people really love to collect books and really love the paper version to have on their shelves, which is okay. Consider if there are any books that you can maybe buy secondhand on or take from the library. But if it's possible for you, if it's doable, consider ebooks and audiobooks. I do find them the best, just because they are still supporting the author. You're still giving money to the person that created the thing, rather than like if you buy a secondhand or if you take the book from the library, you do not really support that person. But by buying the ebook or the audiobook, you are still giving them money, which I think is very important. Instead of using single-use items like paper bags, napkins, or paper towels, consider getting reusable alternatives like reusable lunch boxes, reusable napkin, handkerchiefs, cotton produce bags, or cotton cloths. Global toilet paper production consumes thousands of trees daily. It's literally like flushing forests down the drain. Consider using a bidet, and if you cannot install one or you don't have money for one, the solution is pretty easy. There are portable bidets. We have one and it works really great. Plus we didn't have to go to the shops and fight over the toilet paper because we are just self-sufficient, which is really great during the times like right now with the coronavirus. And we also have a bamboo toilet paper just in case for ourselves and also for guests, but we use it very rarely, so it lasts for ages. Refuse flyers, cards, free newspapers and things like this. If there isn't any information in there that you would like to actually have, like a number to a place or maybe an event, the date of an event, just take a picture with your phone, and that way you will have the information without using the paper. Another way to refuse flyers is to put a note on your postbox asking not to put any. It should reduce the amount of unwanted mail. Do not put the paper into the mixed trash. Keeping paper in the loop reduces the number of trees being cut down for the production of the new paper. Also, if you are planning to buy some new paper, like new notebook or new paper for the printer, consider getting it recycled. And of course, there's so many other things that can be done to save trees, like going vegan, like buying furniture that are made out of wood secondhand, and also helping organizations that take care of reforestation. And also what you can do is to use the EcoAsia browser, that with every search they plant more and more trees, so that's also a great thing to do. I hope this video was helpful for you and it did give you some inspiration to actually make some changes in your life. If so, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I will have more tips like this. And also give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any other ways to reduce the paper consumption, so we can all learn from each other. And also, if you're interested, make sure you join me on Instagram. I do post there almost daily, so if you are looking for more inspiration, head over there. And also, if you would like to go through the information that I just posted one more time, make sure you head over to my website, where I wrote a blog post about the same subject, and I mentioned all the things that I talk about in here. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention. Make sure you stay healthy and clean your hands during those times we have right now. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.